That's what we got this time.
Alrighty. So we got Cobra 29LX with a surprise inside. Here's what we got. We got one of them classic echo boards installed with electrical tape, and it's like some sort of cardboard.
From Trucks TV Shop.
Yeah,
One that had
I guess from what I was told, this came from Truck CB, but man, I don't know. I don't know.
Maybe they're the ones who put the thing in there.
I don't know if I would hope he does a little.
The guy put the echo board in, probably.
Probably, that's what I'm thinking. I'm hoping that this didn't come from him, because well, he is known for doing some interesting things. So, anyways, we got a couple interesting things. We got a little wire here with a resistor off the power line. Got some more happy tape here. We haven't even dug into these yet. We haven't even looked at them to see what's underneath this tape.
Well,
I wonder
when my big check comes in.
I wonder what's lurking underneath the tape. We're gonna pause the video and we're gonna undo the tape. Okay, so video back. We took the tape off, and this is a really fine workmanship we found. I should have started my video at the speaker, because somebody else said, their technician said, you can tell what kind of caliber of work that you're going to find, because the first thing they desolder is a speaker, and the last thing they solder back together is a speaker. So the speaker wires were pretty janky. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck this is.
Okay,
I don't even know how this worked. This is an audio cable. Like, this is... one side's the ground, and the other side... oh yeah, that's lovely there too. I bet you this radio squealed and everything else inside of a semi-truck.
Hell, with all that tape and stuff in there wrapped around here and that RF floating around, it probably shifted gears by itself.
Here we go here. Well, that's not too bad, but it's still not what I would have done. Okay, so here's our video. Start off with, you guys see it. You guys see it. You see it. Oh, picture. Alright, we will be back later on. Okay, so I had to start the video again, because I got the face off, because I noticed the soldering on the mic plug was pretty messed up. And I think, as you can see, this right here is a chunk of solder that was left what the fuck? Alright, I'm sorry. I gotta go. I'll be back when this is done, maybe. It might take more than a day. We'll start the video back up here. And alright, so we straightened out all of the...
How long this thing is? It was what? That's an 18 footer?
What the hell's wrong with this freaking camera?
There's an old piece of cards in there too, but
you can't really see it. It's not zooming in.
it's got one end.
There we go. Okay, so we redid the connections here, back here. Took that echo board out. We got to bench that echo board because I discovered that it looks like it was broken through the center, and they fixed it with solder, little bit of solder blobs on there. So before we stick this back in, which I don't really want to, but we'll test it out on the bench and see if it works. But anyways, that's the video for now. Phase 1, getting it straightened out, getting it put back together, and then we'll go from there.
truck.
We'll catch you guys later.
Because that Texas Star does more than